Good evening to all. So every year I am connected to this workshop, then I am also so happy. So now I am going to present about somewhat a different topic from me. It's enhancing research through effective reference management for successful publication. So how do we come out our research into that publications? Always we are using writing, and then finally we are giving some confusion where we are finding out these references and all. So before that, we have to choose any one good reference manager software. You have to keep all the references in the systematic way, which it's easy to finalize your paper. So what is a reference manager? That is a vital tool for preparing a scientific manuscript for publication. It serves as a virtual library that used to quickly locate, organize the papers. So collect all the information, and then you have to keep it in any one reference manager. It's very easy to do your literature review. And it help you to keep track of what you have read and what you have to omit, then what you have to delete. So easily you can remove that unwanted things if you are keeping your references in the good particular reference manager software. The special features of reference manager software is citation generation. That's a very difficult task. So it's easy to help you to give the citations. And then resource database. You have to keep all the references in one place. Whatever you are searching, whatever you are tracking, so all the information you have to keep it in one place. And then easy checker. That easily you have to find out whether you have to keep in a proper way, then you can find it out easily. This is our personal source library, and easily you have to generate the bibliography. In market, so many reference managers tools are there, RefWork, EndNote, that so many things that, but all these we have to pay except this Mendeley and Jotera. So Mendeley also it's a very good tool, but more scientific way. But Jotera is very user friendly. That's why I am choosing that Jotera. I am going to present about Jotera, how to organize your papers. So this is an open source. The main thing is it's open source. We don't need to pay for that. And then it makes it easy to collect the information about primary and secondary sources. Whether that's a journal article or books or interview or letter or map, whatever you have to keep. And then you can easily generate the reference. And then say all the information of source in a good metadata in a single click. Whatever you say, journal article, if you store it in the Jotera, and then you can take that metadata, author name, journal name, what abstract it's there, so many links, free full text means it's link you can put. So everything is easily you have to save it in the Jotera manager. So installation also very, very easy. Then you can, this is a tool, then you have to, easily you have to install it in Chrome or Jotera, in Firefox or anything. And then simultaneously you have to install the Jotera connector also. This Jotera connector is a save button, is the most convenient to reliable way to add the items in the highly quality bibliographic metadata. So whenever you are installing this, you have to install both. First you have to install the Jotera, and then you have to install the connector also. So after that installing this Jotera, that symbol will come and sit in your search bar. And then this eject symbol will come and sit in your desktop. The eject symbol. If you click this eject symbol, the Jotera interface will open. This Jotera interface has 3 panels. First panel is a left side panel. This is your collection of your library. So you have to create whatever you want. You have to create the name of collections. So this is this folder is your research topics. Whatever you want, you can keep it here. You have to create. And then whatever resource you want to particular collection, you have to keep it. Search through the proper way, and you have to just click it automatically. It will come and sit in the middle panel. And the same thing, so generate the metadata in the panel 3. So this interface have the 3 panels. So this thing. See here, you have to create the file. Just you have to click the file, and it will ask the new collection name, and then you have to create the name whatever you want. And then whenever you are searching, you have to keep the particular folder. And then if you want any particular articles information, just you click, all information will come. That information contains full details of abstract with the title, PMID, DOI, and so many, all information is there in that information. Then see, first, before starting this reference manager, you have to do a proper way in a search. Then only you can keep the proper, you have to keep your references in the proper way in the Zotero manager or any reference manager. So just I want to share one slide how to do, how to start the literature search first before starting the reference manager. So you can keep all the things in a four ways. One is clicking the icon. Whatever you are searching in the search bar, just you click, it automatically comments it in your Zotero bar. And then you can export the citation from the database to database and then import it to Zotero. And then if you have collection of the PDF files, easily you can track and keep in Zotero. And then manually you can add some citations. See, before starting, you have to do a proper search. So define the key terms and develop a search strategy. This is very important one. See here, the first step of literature search is translate your question into searchable format. Then only you can create the folders in the Zotero. So always you have to keep in your mind that PICO method, it's very helpful to do a search in the proper way. See, PICO is nothing that P is that population or disease or problem, and this I is intervention, C is comparison, and that outcome, whatever outcome you want. So that all you have to decide first itself. So here that one topic I am given, that example, efficacy of lubricant versus topical fluconazole in the management of microsporodial keratoconjunctivitis. This is a topic. Just first, what is the disease? Here is a microbial keratoconjunctivitis. Intervention is lubricants. And then topical fluconazole is a comparison. Then outcome you have to decide which is best part, that you have to decide, and all that what problem will come for using this medication. So that's all you have to decide, and then you have to keep. Then you have to start the collection in a Zotero. So here in the left side, you have to just click a new collection, and then you have to give the name. First the collection folder is a microsporodial keratoconjunctivitis, then lubricants, then topical fluconazole. Then you have some full text. That all you have to create the collection first, then you do your search. See, here I am typing that microsporodial keratoconjunctivitis. Here I am splitting that things. Microsporodial and star. Why I am using that star means I read some article, in some article they are using microsporodium keratoconjunctivitis. Some article they are using microsporodial. So if we put in the star, it will take automatically all the things. Then I am choosing the TI. Why I am choosing a TI? TI means that word must be occur in the title. It's relevant to our topic. So here microsporodial and keratoconjunctivitis. First I want to know about that what is microsporodial keratoconjunctivitis. So I am selecting the review from the left panel. I am collected 10 review articles, and then I am saved to my collection folder. Here the yellow symbol will come when you are installing the Zotero. This symbol will come and sit in your search bar. So if you click here, so all 10 items will come and sit in your microsporodial keratoconjunctivitis collection folder. See here, all 10 things are there. In this side, some free full text also available. It's available here. And then that each and every article information, if you click, that information will open. Then again, next I am searching in that microsporodial with lubricant. So here I got 8 articles. Then I am putting that collection in the next folder. Same like we have to do the search in the one by one. So you have to collect first all. So first you have to split your query into different way, and then you have to collect the collection folder in the Zotero. Then one by one you have to search in the PubMed or Google Scholar. Zotero will accept a Google Scholar also. Sometimes we couldn't get anything from the PubMed. You go to Google Scholar and put it, search it, same like You have to click and then save all the things in your Jotera panel. Here, then I am searching, so I am not satisfied. I got only very few articles in that 6 or 9 or 10. Then I am putting simply that topical, instead of topical fluconazole, I use the fluconazole. So this also sometimes we can get some that a good article from that fluconazole, so not topical. So this, so you have to change it. Whenever you are doing a search, you have to do in a different way and search. So now I got more articles. So that also sometimes we can use for the discussion part. So that all we have to keep. So if you click the Jotera, it will show, and then you have to click it all will come and sit here. So the next thing is that you have some PDF files you have collected from some open source. So easily you have to move all the things in it. Just you have to create one folder and you have to track. Just you have to track all the PDF files. If you click all the PDF files, here it's there. File. If you click the blue color button, it will ask you to give save your PDF files and just a track method. So and then that PDF files that metadata also automatically will generate. So now you have a very good collection of your topic. You have basic information. If you want, you can know that you have to review the 10 reviews, and then each and every things you have to see, and then you can read each and every articles. See, this side has some special features. Here one tag is there. If you click the tag, you have to see. I am choosing only one article in this clinical profile of microsporally correcta conjunctivitis. In that article, that abstract the result they are given. That 5 cases they are using lubricant, 3 cases they are using topical. That all you have to say read it, and then you have to click the tag, and then you have to copy and paste. So this article, it's pointed out this article contains this much of information. So each and every article you have to read from the abstract and just click the tag, and you have to paste it whatever the point you want in this tag panel, and then you can source line. So each and every article under the yellow color button will come and see. So easily you can review. So nearly 10 papers or 3 papers are relevant. Which you have to see this information whenever you are reading. You have to make it in the tag field. So the tag also it's very useful tool. That you don't need to search the paper or pen. You have to write when you are reading the paper. So just you have to copy the abstract, what are the point you are getting. Just you have to click the PDF, whatever PDF is freely available. Just you have to open it and see the copy the information, and then you have to paste it in the tag. It's very easy to organize your information. So whatever information you are at, easily you have to keep it in a Jotera folder. And then same like if you click these notes, and then the one more thing is you have to other things also. If you click the PDF files, the PDF will open. Same that if you want to know that any good article author that you have to scroll up, and then it shows who all are the author for the particular paper. That also you have to decide whether that author have a very good that they are belongs to a good the institutions and all, or any familiar person. That all we can finding out from the information folder. And the next one is here. It's have that notes. Just to click this, it shows the what are the tags it's available related to that particular article. See, this article it's adolescent. So many terms are there. So this article it's female, it's there. So every information easily we can just click the notes, and then the tag, that all the tag will come. If you want to add any tag, you can add it. So when you are reading the abstract, you can add some tags for extra, then you can add that one also. So the information, notes and tags and all, it's very helpful. And then if you have any other related information, if you are finding out, just to click this tag and then you have to type it. So that now whatever you are having, so there's the 4 things you have to keep read and whenever you are. But this is when you are you got the article in one stroke, but then you have a time after that you have to open your Jotera desktop, and when you have a time you have to read, and you have to make the notes for each and every article. So this is a proper way to keep your references in the Jotera manager. The next, it's a very very good tool. This is you have to create the bibliography within single stroke. We are keeping all the references. Now we are maximize or finishing our collection of papers and writing a paper. Finally, you want to make a citations. That is a very easy way, good way to insert the bibliography citation. The first thing is easy to take it out all the information within a very particular format. See, I am clicking the right click for each, all the article. It shows so many things. Generate bibliography, create bibliography, export item. Here I am clicking that create bibliography, and then it shows what style you want. So sometimes we are using any paper, the particular style we can choose for. So you are going to write, you are going to submit a paper in the iJournal, means you have to select a nature. And then there some IEEE is there. So many styles are available. Nearly 1,600 styles are available. Whatever you want to choose. For the PGs, the standard format is a Van Gogh format. Author, 6 author, that journal title should be the abbreviated title, colon, full stop, semicolon, everything is secret, give in one stroke. So you have to select the Van Gogh format. I'm choosing your Van Gogh format. I'm given a OK. So automatically all the citation, it's now given a proper citation. This is a single stroke we can get things. So whatever we want, we are keeping in a doTERRA manager. Simply you can take it out all the bibliographies. This is the one way. The next one is if you are writing a paper, then this is a different way. You have to cite the references inside your manuscript. How? First, when you are installing the doTERRA, you have to install the doTERRA World plugin. This is available in the doTERRA tab. This, if you click that doTERRA plugin will come and sit in your Microsoft Word. Then it is conjunction to the MS Word. See here, this side, here it's there. In the tool, you have to choose, click the add-on. It will show this. Just you have to enable it. So this will come and sit here in your Word file. So this doTERRA will come and sit. So through the I'll show you the previous slide. Just you have to click here and just you have to choose the tool add-on, and then if you click the add-on, this will come. And then if you click here, the doTERRA will come and sit in your Word file. See, if you click this thing, doTERRA, here it will show add edit bibliography, and the document preference, reference, and link. So this all automatically will open. Then you have to click here. It will goes to your doTERRA desktop. Just you have to click. It asks you to see, just like this is your manuscript. See here, I am clicking this doTERRA. This key will open. Here I am choosing add edit citation. It asks you to show this bar. So always you have to choose the classic view. The classic view is go to your doTERRA desktop. Here I am choosing that lubricant, this article. I'm given this. I'm clicking. It will come and sit in your manuscript. Same like you can 3 or 4. You can make it. You can cite it. So just click and then go to doTERRA that panel, and then just click the reference, and then the reference number will automatically come and sit. Then you have to click that add and edit bibliography. So what are the citation you are choosing, that the bibliography will come and sit one by one. So this is a very easy tool to insert your citation. And then if you want to change anything, if you are adding instead of 3, you have to add another reference, means always you have to keep here an unlinked citation area. Then you have to change the reference. So these 3 things are very important to keep or make or insert or citation, insert your bibliography, and then you have to do any correction. So these all the things are it's available here. You can do it within one stroke. And then the next one is two or three people, they are writing a paper, means you have to create a group in group. So before the starting a group, you have to must log in into jotera.org. So whatever you are using an email ID when you are registering, when you are installing the Jotera, the same ID you have to keep, and then you have to create a shared library that is available in the left side of panel. So automatically it shows. Then you have to join how many people you want. You can give the indication that then you have to share what you all have. You have to easily have to share the what you have. The same like that microsporadic character conjugate. You want to share your that mentor or you share your co-author or anything easily you have to share through the Jotera group without sending the Word document or anything. Just you have to share your Jotera groups. Before that you have to register. Before that you have to invite. Then that person also registered in the Jotera group. So you can share the personal or group library to entire group. No restriction for that. So if you are registered, it will show like so my library groups who all are that people. Then say this. What is the benefit for this? So this you can open anywhere without your desktop. You can open what you have in your Jotera desktop. This automatically save it in the cloud computer, but this you have to register, then you have to upload it. So when you are import all the things in that right hand side, one synchronizing green color bar is there. Always you have to click that one. Then only it won't sit in your cloud computer. So the cloud computer means that you are not using the desktop. You are using some other computers. You are going to library using that library computer. You have to open your register Jotera bar. Just you have to use that your email ID and password. You have the collection. Everything you can do. This you can view it, read it, but you can't change it anything. This is a special thing. And then the conclusion is so many reference managers softwares are there, easily you have to do, but every time you have to keep it in mind, you have to do the manual verification also. Sometimes we can miss sometimes. This 90% of work will do the Jotera or any reference manager softwares, but finally the 10% you have to keep sometimes for that. You have to go through it. When you have any error is there and anything, then you have to add. So that all you have to do in the manual. Then I want to share one more 3 slides. Here, so many people, they are now, there's so many authors, they are writing a systematic. Hello, ma'am. Just 3 slides I want to share. So this is also one of the tool. This is a tip for me. Ryan is a very good tool for the effective systematic review. It's an easy tool. You have to install it. Same like you have to keep whatever you are keeping in your Jotera. Simply how to change it in the pip-text format and easily how to import it. Then here that it will ask you to show. The show button will show like it's very easy to. So you have to read here instead of that left side or right side. It will show here in that below. So whatever you want, you can give the label. I can add notes. So then if you are putting that 100 papers, means that 100 paper will generate like how many articles in animal, how many articles it shows the prevalence, everything you can get. So this is a very easy tool next to the reference manager. Those are starting a systematic review. You have to use the Ryan tool. It's very easy one. And then if you have any doubt, please ask me. Then I will import it and give all the things that the 50% of work I will do it and give. Then easily you can review the articles. Thank you.